Even in your footwork practice, you must do the way to develop the wider vision. Opponent court, shuttlecock, opponent, to be able to view all of them same time when you are doing the footwork practice. Watch my eyes. Here, you are doing footwork practice to there. At the moment, your eyes goes there thinking or just looking there. And there's no vision of the whole court and opponent court. You must practice here, opponent hit there, there. Yeah, watch it. I am watching here. I am watching. But same time, I can see there. There is post. There is chair. While I am watching it. So I make a shot with reason, with information, rather than just hitting here. Here, it's too small. There. I am not watching it. I am watching whole together. Same, backhand. It should not be just this. There. Shuttle is on my racket. There. Not like that. I have no vision there. Watch my eyes. Shuttle came. There. There. But I can see that. The net post is there. There is chair. There is black chair. There is post. Also there is a shuttlecock. Of course I will wear my opponent. Like that. It's not there. Same. Side. It's not here. Bang. It should be there. Back. Not there. Bang. It should be there. There and there. When you do footwork practice, you must practice this one for your level. Not just moving one place to the other, only developing your legs. As the level goes higher, that would not be enough. You have to develop total view, total awareness by doing that.